Welcome back to Standard 5th Maths Digital class. Let's continue lesson number 8, Multiples and Factors, part 6. In previous video we have learned about co-prime numbers and we have also learned two activities. Let's continue lesson number 8. Today we are going to learn about twin prime numbers and Eratosthenes method for finding prime numbers. Let us learn about Eratosthenes' method of finding prime numbers. Eratosthenes was a mathematician who lived in Greece about 250 BC. He discovered a method to find prime numbers. It is called Eratosthenes' sieve. Let us see how to find prime numbers between 1 and 100 with this method. Follow the steps which are given in the textbook. To find prime numbers by using Eratosthenes method, you have to write down numbers from 1 to 100. Then follow the steps which are given in the textbook. First step, 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So put a square around 1. Then we know that 2 is only even number which is prime. Other all even numbers are composite. So now we have to circle all prime numbers. So circle 2 because 2 is prime number. Then strike out all multiples of 2. Use different sketch pen to do this activity. Now multiples of 2 you have to strike out. So first multiple of 2 is 2. Second multiple is 4. So cross out. Next is 6. Cross out. Next multiple is 8. Cross out. Next one is 10. Next multiple is 12. 14. In this way you have to cross out all multiples of 2. We have strike out all numbers till 100. So this tells us more than half numbers are not a prime numbers. They are composite number. Now next prime number after 2 is 3. So circle around 3. Next multiple of 3 is 6. Already we have strike out. Next multiple of 3 is 9. So strike out that number. Multiples of 3. Now we have to strike out all multiples of 3. So 9 is multiple of 3. So we have strike out. Next multiple of 3 is 12. Already we have done. Next multiple of 3 is 15. So strike out that number. After 15, next multiple of 3 is 18. Already we have done because 18 is multiple of 2 also. Next multiple of 3 is 21. So strike out. In this way you have to strike out all multiples of 3. Now we have strike out all multiples of 3 till 100. So last multiple of 3 is 99 in between 1 to 100. So after 3, next prime number is 5. So circle 5. This is prime number. Then we have to strike out all multiples of 5. These are 5, then 25, 35, 55, 65, 85, 95. Remember divisibility test by 5. You know that when a number which is having 5 in the unit place, that numbers are divisible by 5, or that numbers are multiples of 5. So now strike out the numbers which is having 5 in the unit place. So we have done this. Now next number is 7. 7 is also prime number. So circle around it. Then now cross out all multiples of 7. So first multiple of 7 is 7. Next one is 14, but already we have strike out. Next is 21. That also we have done. Next multiple of 7 is 28. We have done. Now find out multiples of 7 and strike out. Draw a circle around remaining numbers. All strike out numbers are composite and all circle numbers are prime. Now which numbers are remaining here? 11. 11 is prime numbers, so circle it. Next 13, circle it. Next prime number is 17, circle it. Next is 19, circle it. Next is 23, circle. After 23, 29, then 31, 37, afterward 41, next is 43, 47, 47, next 53. Now we have circle around all prime numbers. Now write down all circle number here. These are prime number. So first prime number is 2, second is 3, third is 5. So write down here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Write down all prime numbers between 1 and 100. So these are all prime numbers between 1 to 100. So students understood how to find out prime numbers by using Eratosthenes method. Do it in your notebook. Now we will learn about twin prime numbers. You know about prime numbers. Now what is meant by twin prime numbers? Let us see the definition. Prime numbers with a difference of 2 are called twin prime numbers. It means that there is a difference of 2 in between two prime numbers. For example, 3 and 5. Both are prime number. These numbers has difference of 2. Then 5 and 7. These are also prime numbers. Then 29 and 31. These two numbers are also twin prime numbers. So in this way you can find out many prime numbers. Let us take an example. There are 8 pairs of twin prime numbers between 1 and 100. Find them. Now, to solve this question, first you have to write down prime numbers between 1 and 100. These are prime numbers between 1 and 100. Now we will find twin prime pairs. We know that there is a difference of 2 in between two prime numbers. Now first pair is 2 and 3. Can we take? No, because there is a difference of 1. So which is the first pair of twin prime numbers? 3 and 5. Because these two prime numbers has difference of 2. Next pair is 5 and 7. It has also difference of 2. Third pair is 11 and 13. Third pair. Then fourth pair is 17 and 19. Fourth pair is 29 and 31. Fifth pair is 41 and 43. Then next pair is 59 and 61. Next is 71 and 73. So these are 8 pairs of twin prime. Now write down that pairs, twin prime pairs here. First pair is 3 and 5. Second pair is 5 and 7. Third pair is 11 and 13. These are 8 pairs of twin prime numbers. So 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 11 and 13, 17 and 19, 29 and 31, 41 and 43, 59 and 61, and last pair is 71 and 73. So student, understood how to find twin prime numbers by using this method? Do it in your notebook. Here we have completed lesson number 8. Copy down all work in your notebook.